In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you work with long PDFs, well-structured bookmarks make navigation faster and more reliable. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to reorder them so your document's outline matches the way you want people to read it. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. Give the application a moment to load fully so all panels and tools are ready. Next, open the PDF you want to work with in Acrobat Pro. It's helpful if your document already has bookmarks, since today we're focusing on organizing them rather than creating new ones. Once your PDF is open, look to the far left navigation area for the bookmarks icon. It looks like a small ribbon or flag. Click it to open the bookmarks panel. You should now see a list that represents the document's sections or pages that have been bookmarked. This list is what we'll be reorganizing. Choose the bookmark you want to move. Click it once to select it. You'll see it highlight, confirming it's active. Think about the new position you want, maybe moving a subtopic under a main section or bringing an important chapter closer to the top. Now click and hold your mouse button on the selected bookmark, then drag it up or down within the list. As you drag, focus on the long black indicator line that appears. This line shows exactly where the bookmark will land when you drop it. If the line is aligned with the left edge of similar items, the bookmark will sit at that same level. If the line is slightly indented under another bookmark, it will become a child of that item. Use this as a visual guide for precision. When the indicator line is exactly where you want, release your mouse button to drop the bookmark into its new position. The list updates immediately, and your outline now reflects the new order. If you notice the bookmark landed as a sub-bookmark by accident, simply drag it again and watch the indicator line's alignment to get it back to the correct level. Repeat this process for any other bookmarks you'd like to reorder. Remember, adjusting bookmark order doesn't change the actual page order in your PDF. It just changes how the outline in the panel is organized. Take your time and use the indicator line to ensure a clean, logical structure. That's it. Your bookmarks are now neatly organized, making your PDF easier to navigate and more professional for anyone who opens it.